please subscribe to the Eyes of Owen.
Owen, I love you too much. Huh? I love you long time. You will forget me.
Now then, where are we? I am in my hotel room, preparing to travel back to the UK tomorrow. It's the end of another trip, and what an enjoyable trip it has been for me. One of the best I've ever had. Over the last month, during my time in Thailand, I've managed to upload a short version of the videos almost every day. Starting in early June, I will retrace my steps from the beginning, arriving in Thailand, in Chiang Mai, in Bangkok, Pattaya, Khon Kaen, Udon Thani, etc, etc, and upload the full version of the videos with extra scenes. I've got enough footage, I would estimate, for maybe 2 months, and then, who knows, by then I might be able to travel again within a month or two. It's like yak always. It's nice. Also, I would like to thank everyone who has made a comment, good or bad, on my channel. And I'd also like to thank everyone who has joined my membership area, where there is more footage, mostly footage that will be demonetized on my main channel, i.e. a few nightlife scenes and then extra video clips and scenes that I've filmed that are not going to be on my main channel. I've met some nice people. The Rab, a new character who enjoyed himself. I spent some time with him in Pattaya, and I think he will be returning again sometime in the future. I'd also like to say a big thank you to all the subs who I bumped into on this journey, from as far afield as Bangkok up to Udon Thani, Khon Kaen, Chiang Mai, and I enjoyed my chats with you. And also a big thanks to many of the subs who even bought me a beer or a coffee, much appreciated, and I really enjoyed having a chat with you. Over the next month or so, now I've got more time when I'm back in the UK, I will be uploading more content to my channel, and I hope I can keep it going for a further 2 months. It's a channel of sarcasm and humour. It's not to be taken too seriously. As I'm walking around, I'm making little comments, and I'm taking the waz out of myself mostly, and a little sarcastic comment here and there. I'm not an expert on Thailand, I'm not an expert on Pattaya, Bangkok, Chiang Mai. I'm not any sort of expert. I'm just little old me seeing Thailand through my eyes, hence the channel name, The Eyes of Owen. Overall, most of the comments I get on my channel are positive and encouraging. What a trip, I've enjoyed it immensely. I've cut back on my drinking, my health has been okay, and very, very enjoyable. And I've also enjoyed solo travel. So once again, thanks for commenting, thanks for the thumbs up and the thumbs down, thanks for subscribing, thank you for joining my members channel, and until whenever and wherever, over and out.
free t-shirt. You won't get it free, you'll have to pay for it.
Why you won't make me do?